Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the XR and that iOS is up to date. Updates often fix Face ID issues. Next, remove any case or screen protector that might block the true depth camera and clean the front lens with a microfiber cloth. Once done, restart your iPhone to refresh system processes, then go to Settings, open Face ID and passcode, and verify Face ID is turned on. This gets us into the diagnostic flow quickly and reliably. You now reset Face ID data to remove any corrupted scans. Tap Reset Face ID and start a fresh enrollment. Rescan your face in bright, even lighting, hold the iPhone about 10 to 20 inches away, and rotate your head slowly during both enrollments so the true depth camera maps angles. Meanwhile, inspect the true depth system. Open the front camera and use portrait mode to confirm depth sensing works. This tells you whether hardware. You should try a full software approach next. Back up your iPhone, then update or reinstall iOS using settings or a computer, because system files can corrupt Face ID behavior. If updates don't help, restore your device to factory settings and test Face ID before restoring your backup. This isolates software from data issues. If Face ID still fails after a clean restore, the final step is contacting Apple support or an authorized repair center. Hardware in the true depth array may require replacement. That's your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.